Hello little scientists. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about something very powerful but invisible. Can you guess what it is? It's called gravity. Have you ever dropped a toy and watched it fall down? Or jumped up and come back to the ground? That's gravity at work. So, what is gravity? Gravity is a force that pulls things towards the earth. It keeps everything from floating away. Imagine if there was no gravity. Your books would fly in the air. Water would float out of your glass. Even you would float like a balloon. That would be funny, but also very strange. Gravity is what keeps us standing on the ground. It holds the oceans, trees, animals, and people in place. But here is something amazing. Gravity is not only on Earth. It is everywhere in space. The moon has gravity. The sun has gravity. All planets have gravity too. But Earth's gravity is just right for us. Not too strong and not too weak. That's why we can walk, run, and jump safely. Have you seen astronauts in space? They float around inside their spacecraft. Do you know why? It's because they are far away from Earth's gravity. So they feel like they are floating. Here is a fun way to remember gravity. Gravity pulls things down. So next time you drop a ball, remember, it's not magic. It's science. Gravity helps keep our world safe and in order. Without it, life would be very different. So whenever you walk, jump, or play, say thank you to gravity. Keep asking questions and keep learning, little scientists.